Now I will show you how to remove the seats from the car. So first step, you have to remove the trim pieces from A pillar. Okay, so this is just a clip and there is a channel that you can slide up. Then there is a push pin here. You can use a finger or use some tool to remove it. It is just a push pin. You just pull it like this and you can release it. Then you can remove this piece. Okay. And now I will remove the chair all the way back until it exposes the two screws here and there. And then I will use a screwdriver T45 to remove it. And the same on the other side. After we have removed the two T45 in the front, we move the seats all the way to the front. And then we remove the two T45 at the back. There is a T20 below the seat. Make sure you can feel it, because if you lower the seat, you cannot feel it from the bottom. You have to adjust the seat until you can see the T20. Okay, now I can see the T20 inside, but I cannot feel it. I cannot touch it. Anyways, I have to move the cushion upward until the T20 is exposed to me, so I can remove it later. So now I can feel it, I can stop it, and I can take the seat out. Now I have to remove the seat belt from the seat. I have to lower the seat, so the length of the wire will be longer, so I have more space to twist it and use the special tool, insert it. And take it out.
So now we need to remove the door connector. So we need to pry out this first. I'll just use my fingernail. Yeah, or you can use a pry tool. Okay, so if you follow this wire, this is the door connector. So you need to remove it. And it's very difficult to take a video on how to remove it, so I'll try to remove this first and I'll show you. So you need to click on a tab and then pull out the lever, and then you can just disconnect it. So here you can see this one, if you push it inward and then you can pull this out, and after that the whole connector will come out. And there's some tab here, you need to take it out from tab. So you can use brute force or just use some screwdriver and take out the thing. Let me get a tool and then show you how to do it. So this is the door cable. So we'll do it like this. So here is the first tab. So just use some pry tool. Some people will just use brute force to take it out. It's okay, I think, but let me try to use some tool to do it. They have a tab on both sides. Yeah. So after you insert it, it can come out easier. Or you can just use brute force, but it will damage the tab here. So then there's another one here. So I will use the same way. This one is easier. It's not a tab thing, so you can just pull it. So you can see this one is simply pull. There's no tab. So you can just pull it out in here. This is for Model Y. For Model 3 it might be different, but it's similar. Just see which type of tab you have, and then you can just pull it out. And then I work on the last one, and then we can take out the whole harness. So we have taken out the whole harness. I just do a little pull here, and then the whole harness can come out. Now I can remove the chair. There's tips on how to remove the chair without damaging the area here. So let me show you. With one hand, grab into the seat from here, and the other side just grab it like here. Then we flip over. So we pull it like this. So we rotate the seat outward, and then make sure you go out and clear the car, and then just take it out. Okay, this way you won't scratch the car. But if you're worried, you can put some protection around this area, and this area. And if you are working on the driver's side, make sure adjust the steering wheel all the way up and inward, so it gives you more clearance when you remove the car seat. So we need to take out the headrest first. The trick is you need to have two small flathead screwdriver or some kind of needle here. So I'll show you. If you just try to stretch down here, you can see that there's a metal clip here. So I insert my tool. So you see, I inserted my tool into here. Try to zoom in. Yes. So here, I can release the clip like this, but don't overdo it. Yeah, just do it slightly. But you need to do it on both sides. So let me show you the other side too. So try to stretch down here, and you can see it from here. Here. So I insert here, and now I can just pull it slightly up. See if the clip get unlocked. If not, just try to do it again. Just do it both sides. Jiggle it. Yes. You can see that this is the lock. So if I pull it a little bit, it will get unlocked, and I can take out the whole seat thing. After you raise it, the back cover can be removed. Sometimes you need to jiggle it, sometimes it automatically fall out. So you can see this lock into here. Once you raise it, it can come out, but sometimes it's stuck and you need to jiggle it out. It can fall out then. Yeah. So now we flip over the chair, and then we work from the bottom. So we have multiple things we need to do. First, we need to take out the seat cover. For Model 3 and Y, the 03 and Y, here there's a clip, so it's just, you can just try to loosen it, just push out. It's just a hook, and push out from here, and you can loosen up the whole back cover. So just unhook it. Just push downward a little bit. Yeah. And then you can take out. For Highland, the clip looks a little bit different. It's hooked into here, but it's the same idea. You unhook it, and then you can take out the cover. After that, we will need to disconnect the gray connector, the green connector. This is the heated pad for both the backrest and the seat cushion. And we also need to remove the seat sensor. So the seat sensor, we can take it out. It's easier for removal. Take out from the stand, and then just simply pull this tool outward. Make sure you grab the connector and not the cable side, or otherwise the cable can be broken. So we normally grab the both sides of the connector and pull it out. Yeah, and then we unhook it from here as well. So there's a hooking mechanism here. So we just unhook it. And then we also need to take out this two connector. Just push it downward. Yeah, push it downward. Now everything is loosened, and then we need to take out this as well. This is a hooking mechanism as well. Just pull down, and then you can unhook it. Pull down, and you can unhook it. Yeah, so that's basically what you need. Oh, one more thing. Remember when we took the video, we show you how the T20 need to be shown. Now we will take out this cover. So we'll grab our T20, Let me show you. I'll pull up a little bit. Here, you can see that there's a T20 here. You just need to remove it. After we remove it, we can take out the cover and unplug the connector for the seat control. So now this is just a clip. You can just pull it out. Yeah, this is just a clip, and then you can unplug this connector. So first we will unhook this first, but you can see there's a cable tie here. What this is the lumbar support module connector. This is a passenger seat, and Tesla removed the function, so but they still leave the connector here. So we just cut the cable tie first. Yeah, otherwise it will affect our installation. You can tie it later. So now we can pull up and then unhook it. And here is the same. You can see there is some hook. Just unhook it, pull up, unhook, unhook. Yeah, same for the other side. Unhook everything. Yeah, unhook from here and unhook from here. Okay, so now then we need to unhook all these things upward. So we just grab our seat back into this position, so I can unhook this. Unhook here, unhook here, unhook here, unhook here, and unhook here. You can see that there's one airbag here. If you are a left-hand drive car, it might be here. If you're a driver's seat car, you might have both. But the idea is the same. There are two 10mm bolts here. You can see it. Try to unbolt them. Unbolt them. So let me try to unbolt it from here. Unbolt both of them, fully unbolt them. After you unbolt them, then you can take out the whole upper backrest cushion. We have removed the two bolts, so we just take it out. Remove the connector here. You just pull this outward and it releases like this. So pull it outward, pull the black ring outward, then you can unplug the connector. After this, you can take out the whole seat cushion. So let me try to do it. So just pull it outward. We need to remove the seat cushion, and the way to remove it is to unhook the free side, this side, this side, this side. So let's start with the front side. So this is quite easy. You can just pull it. And then you can just unhook this. So it goes, this channel goes into here. So you just take it out, like rotate it, and it can come out. The most difficult one is the side. After you remove one side, the other side will be easy. So we take out the cover here, as you can see. From here, we'll start from the edge. So the trick is to rotate it. So it's out. So then we can pull it. So this is the most difficult part. So but after you remove this side, then you can just push the cushion all the way to the other side. Then it will help to release the whole thing easier. So let's try to move to here. And here will be a lot easier. So the trick is like this. Then you just slide this outward. Or I'll help, use a tool to help it. Yeah, after you take out can just pull it all the way around, and then the rest of it. Out. Now remove the airbags from your original seats. We are now ready to install the new seat cover. Let's start with the seat base cushion. Fit the seat base cushion on the frame. Make sure the heating pad cable is routed out the back. Push the foam through and wrap it around the edge of the frame. Connect the heating pad connector and clip the hooks back into place. Secure the fan to the fan holder. Now we can work on the three sides of the seat base. Press it against the frame. Reattach the side cover. Screw back the T20. Next, we move on to work on the seat back cushion. Transfer the original airbags to the new seat, carefully inserting them into their designated pockets. attach the emblem holder to the seat frame. You can see from here that there are two holes. Slide the seat back cushion in and push it downward. Make sure the foam wraps around the frame neatly. Lay down the seat. And reconnect the airbag connectors. Apply 3M tape here to reduce noise and vibrations. Pull the seat back foam all the way through. Now, let's reattach the airbag. Reinsert the two airbag threads through the frame holes at the correct angle. Then, tighten the nuts. Repeat this for the other airbag. Pull the seat back foam out. And make sure it wraps around the frame edge. Get all the nuts tightened. Secure the back plate into the correct position. Fasten the 10mm. Clip everything back neatly using a pry tool. connect the connectors of the ventilation system. Use some cable tie to secure the fan to the back plate. This step is for extra security and is optional. You can do the same to the bottom fan. For the headrest, gently pry open the metal clip with 2 flathead screwdrivers. Insert the headrest halfway. Align the rear cover to the right position. And make sure the hooks on the sides are inserted properly. Push the headrest all the way down. Tuck the ladder into the channel using a pry tool. Align the emblem before snapping it on. In case you want to redo the emblem, use a plastic pry tool to take it out gently. Unlike metal ones, plastic prevents scratches and keeps the emblem flawless. Give it a quick wipe down and your driver's seat is all set. The passenger seat basically follows the same steps. So this step is for ventilated seat. If you don't do the ventilated seat, you don't need to do this step. Yeah. So we need to connect the can in the behind the center console. So we just remove this cover. You can grab it, or you can use the pry tool or Allen has key. Just pull it. Yeah. And then it can come out. And then now we unplug here and then connect to our bypass connector. The other side, plug that in, and then we set it like this. And there's a wire here. We'll go to the left side of the car. So what I usually do is I have some fishing tape to go from here, and I run all the way to here. So just like this, and just place it here. And next, you have a long cable. We'll go from here to the other side. So I just fish from here to the other side of the car. So it's a lot easier. What you do is just place it here, and then after I remove the seat on the other side, I will just be able to get it from this hole. Yeah, it's very easy to touch it. Yeah, because I can get from here to the opposite side easily. Yeah, with my hand inside, or use a fishing tape. Yeah, of course. Yeah.